Alright, Math 1, 9.1. So, Sam's test scores for the term were 60, 89, 83, 99, 95, and 60. So what if we did the mean of that? So we'd add them all up and divide by how many we had, right? So if I add all these up, and obviously using a calculator would probably be the easiest way to do this, but I'll do it by hand. So that'd be 8, 18, so 26, 12, 14, 22, 39, 48. So 486. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 486 be 8. 48, subtract, bring down the 6. So it'd be an 81%. Okay, would that be a fair grade? That's kind of for you to decide. But if I look at that, this is how most teachers do it, using the average, the mean. So, it's kind of in the middle of what he scored, so I suppose that would be a good overall reason. Okay, so now let's say we went off the median score. So median, we'd line them all up, right? 60, 60, 83, 89, 95, 99. So median, we'd go to the center, which would be in between 83 and 89, which would be 86. So 86%. So that's better than the mean in this case. So you might say that's a fair because that's exactly in between these scores that he got. Okay. Now let's say the mode. If we did it on the mode, the one we see the most would be a 60%. Okay. You could argue that it's fair because that's what he scored the most, but I would say since that's the lowest, probably not. Okay. Aiden's test scores for the same term were 30, 70, 90, 90, 91, and 99. Which measures of central tendency would Aiden want his teacher to base his grade on? So the mean, the median, and the mode. So mode would be 90. Okay, median would be also 90. The mean would end up being, let's see, make that 1, put there, that would be 100, and then that would give us 3 90s, which would be 270. So that would be 370 plus 30 would be 400, divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this would be a 6, and then another 6, and it basically repeats. So it would be about a 67%. Okay, well obviously he doesn't want the mean, and that 30 brought it down. Okay, so I would say probably going with the median or the mode. Most likely I'd go median as opposed to mode, because if he gets another bad test score, that could change the mode. But the median, because he has a much higher test scores, I think it reflects better. Okay, now 5, most teachers base grades on the mean. Do you think it's a fair way to assign grades? Kind of depends. We're trying to look at the center and get the middle of what you've done. And so that's kind of why we do what we do. So that was all. Kind of a short one, but that's it.